Can you all mix close?
Yeah. Yeah, you make your weird face like you did last month. Hey guys, it's Brutally Honest. It's not guess what day it is. It's because it's Friday, and that's the first day that we got our Universal spot. Ooh, that's kind of bright, isn't it? Let's just turn that down just a little bit. I know it's dark outside. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. I think
Is that better?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
because otherwise they're gonna get blinded. So it's that time of the month, guys. For those uninitiated people that are watching, Universal Yums is a monthly subscription. It's gonna be that kind of video. Subscription box where you get snacks, both savory and sweet, from a certain country every month. This month is Spain. We found out because Universal Yums emailed us early a time and spoiled it for us, so I don't really appreciate that.
We knew before, though.
Yeah, we kind of guessed it was Spain based on the clue that we got in the box last month. Actually, move the thingy over.
Move over.
The camera so you're in it more.
Like...
I'm wedged in here. She's got the ability. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. She's got the ability to get up. I got stuff to the left of me here. You're right.
Is that better?
Yeah, see, now you're in the camera. You're not like split like this. No, you can't hide. Anyway, we also have an update. They do have a store now on their website, to where on Universal Yums website, where you can buy the candy and snacks from the boxes. I don't know how far back they're going, but I haven't really checked out the store myself. We got an email about it. One of the things that also happened, I think either last month or the month before, we were supposed to get something in the box they didn't ship. They were supposed to include something, but they ended up emailing us and saying, hey, nope, here's $5 on your account. So,
I mean, it's okay, but like, I don't know, they just say we're working out the best fix and we'll have an update for you in your October box, which they didn't.
right.
And then now they just gave you a $5 credit.
Yeah, we still love the box. I mean, we get it every month because it's one of our favorite things to do.
But don't start doing this stuff.
Yeah, we don't want you to go the way of Loot Crate. That was why we discontinued the boxes with Loot Crate, because we used to have 5 different subscriptions with them. Mm-hmm. And then we went down to 3, and then we went down to 2, and then we canceled them both because they started doing crap like this.
Right,
so,
like, oh, we didn't ship this month,
yeah.
You'll get it next month. We still are waiting on, technically,
we're
never
never
going to get it,
yeah.
But a replacement t-shirt and then an item that we never got in one of our boxes.
You get lost in the ether. So Universal Yums, don't get too big for your britches. I mean,
yes.
We want you to grow, but we don't want you to be...
Don't do stuff like that.
Yeah, that's not fun. Anyway, this box, well, you can open it, is what's called the Super Yum box. This is the largest subscription you can get. Comes with a placard card, with all the different stuff that comes in the box. Which I'll let you go into that.
Here's what's in the box.
Right. So you get the most snacks with the Super Yum box. If you're interested in getting a box yourself, you can go to beardlyhonest.com/yums. That's our website, where we've got a $5 off code for this size box. If you want to get any other size subscription, which are the lower boxes, we still get credit for that if you go and click our link on there. So definitely check that out if you're interested. If you already have the box, feel free to eat along with us. We're eating around the world, but anyway.
Well, actually, speaking of that, next month is what? December?
Mm-hmm.
And remember what they've done the last 2 Decembers?
Eating around the world?
Yeah, so it says there's no clue for next month. Instead, we have a sneak peek. So...
They already tell us 3 of the things in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it looks like they're going to do it again, though, because there's a nut torta from Switzerland, raspberry potato chips from Spain, and almond chocolate bar from Germany. So,
it's usually like a culmination of all the good things from the whole year.
Well, no, it's more like their holiday snacks from like all around the world, like to celebrate Christmas.
Okay.
So like this, yeah, like no Swiss winter is complete without these crumbly nut-filled tortas and a scrumptious specialty of the Alps. So like it'll be their winter sweet snacks or savory snacks.
Yeah.
So no clue. Sorry.
And so I know a lot of you guys watch the channel quite frequently. We've got Try It Tuesdays, which we do to your suggestions for leave us a comment down below. We apologize if we mispronounce everything, but from those people that watch Try It Tuesdays and not future, I can't talk to
What's
them.
your
I don't
deal?
know what the deal is. It's the big.
It's a weekend.
Yeah.
It's not
My brain
vacation.
turned off.
It's weekend.
And so Those that watch the previous videos know that she has a dairy allergy. And that's why she can only try certain things. It's the Hives version, guys. It's not the poop and fart version. So
Yes.
what's good about this is they actually show the allergens in the little pamphlet, so she's able to kind of see what she can and can't have. So what's the first thing?
I have fried egg and sea salt potato chips.
Can you have those?
Yes, unfortunately.
Then you will try them.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a lot of chips in this one.
Got an egg on it. Oh. I don't know why this makes me feel ill. Just
Papas fritas con sabor a huevo frito.
frito.
Fried eggs.
Yeah.
They smell like potatoes. And they taste like eggs. It's like eating an old McMuffin. Egg McMuffin.
That's gross.
It's okay.
They're kind of stale though, aren't they?
Yeah. No, I think it's just the egg flavoring.
You try another one.
They're okay. They're not my favorite. I definitely would not eat them again.
No, it definitely tastes like a fried egg. That's exactly what, I mean, sometimes those flavor things, you don't really get it, especially like pizza flavored things or whatever. No, that tastes like a fried egg. Next is shortbread with orange marmalade filling. Contains meat.
Mentacado?
Oh no, it contains meat.
How does it contain meat? It's got fruit on it.
I don't know, it says contain, look at that, it contains meat.
Orange. Shortbread with orange marmalade.
I think just because it's lard.
Okay.
I think that's why.
It's leaking.
Ew. Oh,
Well, it's
the lard?
well, no, it's getting crumbs everywhere.
Oh.
It's just shortbread.
Yeah,
That's all it is.
I can actually try this.
It's very crumbly now. I can't really grab a piece that's... Okay.
It's got an orange marmalade filling though.
Yeah, it's pretty pretty.
Okay, here's a piece with, I don't know if you can see it.
It's extremely crumbly. And orangey.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Next is Cojitos.
Coguitos.
This is a dark chocolate covered peanut. I cannot have this. Because everyone knows peanut M&Ms, even the Spanish, but in Spain the colorful American classics face some serious competition. Let us know if that's actually true. If anyone from Spain watches this. Like, a lot of
Got
the...
little M's or W's on them.
Copycat. A lot of people who live in different countries where we get boxes from say that they don't know anything about most of these snacks. So,
These are pretty good.
do these really compare to M&Ms in Spain?
No.
No, in Spain. Like, are they a competitor, like a true competitor? Like, can you go to a shop and find those as easy as you could M&Ms?
Oh, I have no idea.
That's what I'm asking.
Oh, okay. These are good though.
Okay.
They're like goobers.
Oh,
Which are chocolate covered or
chocolate covered peanuts. Yeah. Okay.
These are actually, I think, a little better than goobers. They're good.
Okay. Next is ham flavored corn puff snack. Aspel Aspitos. We got two. Make sure they're the same. They're the same. Unfortunately, I can try it.
What do you mean, unfortunately?
I
You're
don't-
going to try it.
I don't like meat flavored things. You gotta.
Oh, there's one for each of us.
Oh, sweet.
Break me off a piece of that squishy bar, yeah.
It's not squishy, it's hammy.
Okay.
Oh, it smells like. It's gonna taste like Bako bits.
Tastes like old cigarettes. As I'm eating it.
Smoky. That's why. Got like that artificial smoke flavor.
Reminds me of when you smoke and the next day you didn't brush your teeth. Like you passed out, you woke up and you got that kind of. I smoked a pack of cigarettes the night before.
I don't know
You
that.
can't relate to that?
Nope.
Oh, I can't either then. I'm sorry. I don't smoke anymore. I did many years ago.
Yeah, you wouldn't know. All right, next is a soft cake with cream filling. But for Cortadillo Relleno de Crema.
These are heavy. Squishy too. It's kind of bright. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying my best here.
With it being a cream filling, I can actually try that. Unless I'm missing something, but...
Ooh.
Ooh. Thanks, I guess. Soft cake, cream filling.
Kind of tastes like pencil shavings.
No, it's just not quite right. Mm. That stuff all over me.
Yeah.
I
It's
don't know.
okay.
It kind of tastes like raw dough. Like it's real, like
Yeah.
dense and doughy.
Not a favorite of mine though.
Now we've got artisan potato chips, Mediterranean herb. Potato chips with assorted herbs, garlic, and onion. Sorry.
Trying to focus, but it's so bright.
I think it goes.
Now I'm dark.
Picky, 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 picky.
They smell like focaccia.
Oh, they're herby.
They legit taste like focaccia potato chips.
Okay, I can try it.
Can you?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah. Oh, I can smell it.
You really sure?
Yes.
Okay.
It's good though.
I think you're allergic to them.
Rude. Yeah, those are really good.
I like those.
Macasitos Gold. Candy coating white chocolate and caramel pieces.
Ooh, we got these things again.
That's what this is. We had this in last time.
These are good.
I can't have them, so lucky duck you.
These are like their version of M&Ms.
No, their version of M&Ms were these things.
Oh, these are like butterscotch M&Ms.
They're caramel and white chocolate.
Comes in a little tube like this.
Yeah.
No carb.
Approved?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next is Aspil something chili barbecue flavored corn and rice snack.
What is those?
Yeah, I don't know. Looks like corn nuts.
Ooh.
Corn nuts and rice crackers or something.
Yeah. That looks good. Can you have this?
Yeah. That's gonna be smoky. Well, it's barbecue, but it has artificial smoke flavor. Yeah. They sound like corn nuts and
And Fritos.
Fritos and rice crackers.
They're okay. They're very
I want a corn.
corny.
Ooh, corn nut. Full stars.
They're like a barbecue corn nut.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Spicy mangoes. We've had these before, and I don't like them.
We should take a break before you try it, though.
Okay.
Okay. You can eat your spicy mangoes. We had these before?
Yeah. You remember these?
Mm-mm.
They're gummy mangoes.
Yeah, I don't like mango. Spicy mango flavored gummies. I ate the ham stick.
They smell like crotch.
They're that weird gummy. It looks like a kidney. Like weird, squishy, fleshy. No. I like spicy and sweet things, but I don't like mango. And no. No? Okay.
No.
Next is a olive oil cookie with almond and spices.
We've had this before.
Yeah?
Pretty sure.
When I edit these videos, I usually go back and watch the last time we did Spain. I don't remember.
Remember an olive oil cookie.
Okay.
Because I remember thinking, what? Reminds me of something, but I don't know what it reminds me of. It's a little savory, but it's also got a sweetness to it.
Like a bland Teddy Graham.
You know, I'll get your graham cracker part.
I'm getting the spices. Mmm. Ketchup and mustard flavored corn snacks.
They're just like little rice puffs, right?
Yeah, but they're supposed to be
Corn puffs.
ketchup and mustard flavor. Translated into ketchup and mustard flavored little doves. It's apparently
like
there.
ketchup and mustard flavored Pirates booty is what it tastes like.
Mm.
Dissolves in your mouth. I don't care for that.
Doesn't taste like anything.
You're not tasting it then, because I taste the ketchup and mustard.
Mm-mm. I don't get any flavor. I think I got spicy mango lingering.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are these?
Biscuits with lemon cream filling. I'm not even going to attempt this. Look, this.
El Gorriaga Gelatas Rellenas con crema sabor limon.
Yeah, what he said. I can't try these.
Oh, they're very lemony smelling.
Just like a little shortbread biscuit with cream filling. They smell good.
They smell
Like
kind of like
lemon.
animal cracker with like cream in the middle.
Was that what this tasted like?
Well,
An animal cracker.
no.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. I like these. These are pretty good. I'm not a lemon fan, but I like these.
Cool. Truffles. Cocoa dusted chocolate truffles. A big old box of truffles.
We probably got like 2 of them here.
Probably 4. I can't have them. Oh, they're in like a little thing. I thought they were going to be in like a little plastic thing-majigger.
They're like giant kisses. Yep.
Yeah. Cocoa dusted. Giant kiss. You make it all sorts of mess.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
Are they kind of bitter because of the chocolate coating or the cocoa?
A little bit. But the center is pretty good.
Okay. Next we have olive oil crackers.
Sancho Malero.
I did my face. There you go.
And they kind of taste like a sesame cracker.
I was gonna say sesame. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sesame seeds are really good.
Mm-hmm. These are really good.
You know, with like meat and cheese, not me, but like salami and
Mm-hmm.
crackers. Those are good.
Mm-hmm.
I like the sesame flavor to it.
You got a nice crunch to them too.
Mm-hmm. They're a little dry though, so you need like something else. Like they're pretty dry. This is a milk chocolate filled with orange cream.
Oh, jeez. Can't have this, can you?
No. Let's see if it smells like orange though. Smells like chocolate. Get the orange?
It's very, very subtle,
Yeah, I can't smell it.
but I like it.
Okay. But I like it.
I do.
Tomato and olive flavored potato chips.
It's these bad boys right here.
I'm like wondering if it's olive oil or true olive.
I don't know. That's a seasoned chip though.
And I can try them, so I'll find out. Real olive?
No, I don't like the tomato taste. I get the olive oil though. I just don't like the tomato taste.
No, it's like olive. Like
Yeah,
briny.
that too. I get more tomato. I don't like the
I get more olive. I don't like olives. That's right.
Hopper cakes.
Jaffa cakes.
Hopper cakes.
Snack cakes with raspberry jam filling and dark chocolate coating.
But these are good.
I cannot try them. I thought like Jaffa cakes were more English.
Mm-hmm.
That's what a Great British Bake Show or whatever that show is called. They always make those. Raspberry,
Mm-hmm.
chocolatey,
Mm-hmm.
biscuity. Well, look, it's more cake-like, right?
Mm-hmm. They're
Okay.
very soft. I like
They kind of look like a Nilla wafer.
No, they're not hard though.
No, that's what I'm saying. They look like it though. Oh, I smell the raspberry
The raspberry is like almost like a
jam. That's what I said.
no. More chewy.
Oh, like gummy.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of gummy watermelon slices.
Are they sour?
Yes. Well, they have citric acid, so I would guess so. Doesn't say sour, but I bet they are slightly sour. They're not like Sour Patch watermelon slices.
Mm. I like those though.
They're hard. They're sour.
Not like the Sour Patch one.
No.
Yeah. Titanium dioxide in them though.
That's a whitener. That's for the white. Isn't there white on them or no?
Mm.
No, I don't know what that's for. Alright. Those? What is that word? Escabeche? It's a dish in Spain called escabeche.
It looks like olive oil and vinegar with garlic and pepper.
It's a fried meat dish commonly made with fish marinated in a vinegary, herb-infused brine. Mmm. Tastes like fish. Does it taste like meat?
It tastes like something. I don't think you're gonna like it though.
Actually, I don't mind them.
Oh, okay.
What did you think it tasted like?
Like some kind of marinade you don't like. Not bad.
I guess like vinegary.
Mm-hmm. It's not a flavor profile I would seek out.
Well, no, none of this really is.
Yeah.
Almond and honey alfajor? I don't know. It's supposed to be a luxurious snack.
Maybe it's in here.
Literally probably the only thing in there. We haven't had like one of those with little candies in a couple months.
And you get 2.
Why bother putting it in that?
They're kind of oily.
It's some wheat and almonds and honey. Some oil.
Oh, they're slippery.
Ew. Here. Ooh. Mmm, tasty. I can have it, yeah. Squishy. It probably tastes pretty good. There's just almonds and honey.
Actually, it's not bad. It's got a spice to it, too. Those aren't bad.
They're typically served just after the enormous Christmas Eve feast and just before midnight mass. Again, is that true?
I don't know.
I'm curious. Because I know when they did the USA box like a couple years ago, I never heard of 99% of that stuff. So
No, that's true.
if you're saying this is representative of a country, is it actually representative of a country? Or is this just some random stuff?
You asking me or you asking them?
I'm asking that and you.
Okay.
I'm having a conversation here.
Okay.
What was your favorite thing?
Mm,
These? Your focaccia chips?
actually, I kind of like those crackers I was munching on.
Oh, the olive oil crackers?
Yeah.
These? Those are really good.
They're pretty good, too.
I don't mind the escabeche ones or whatever. I don't know why you thought I wouldn't. They're pretty good.
Mm.
Oh, do you like the goober things?
Yeah, goobers are pretty good, too.
And these?
Yeah.
The little candies?
I like the Jaffa cakes.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
I like this little orange sherbet cookie we had at the beginning.
This is overall a pretty good box.
I'm surprised I was able to try as much as I was.
Mm-hmm.
So that's always a win for me.
Most everything was pretty thumbs up.
You just didn't like the spicy mango.
It was tolerable, though.
Or the ham cigar things. Or the fried egg chips. Or... That's pretty, because you like these lemon cookies.
Mm-hmm. Those are good.
You like the watermelons. The truffles were good. These were just kind of weird. They kind of melted in your mouth.
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good box. If you guys got your box, let us know what you thought of it. Excuse me. If you'd like to get your hands on a subscription, go to weirdlyhonest.com/yums and you guys can get one for yourself. It's up to you if you want to or not. But we highly suggest it because there are some pretty good there's usually a good mix in there for most everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet tooth, savory, whatever. Anyway, if you like this video, guys, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments about today's video or the channel in general, down below is where you do it. You're so weird. Feel free to share this video as you see fit, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. So you didn't do that, did you?
You didn't do any of them up there.
Well, okay, if we've got a Spain video, we'll do this.
Yeah,
We'll do the
up
finger
there.
guns this way. Bye.
Weirdo.
I'm not the weirdo. You're the one being all awkward.